Hi, Neville Knights. It is Wednesday, April 8th, 2020. Mr. Askelson, let's see what we're going to be working on the matrix for math today. Hi, fourth graders. Let's take a look at our matrix and see what we're going to be working on in math today. It says write down the fact families for the following numbers. And I think really what we want to do here is write down the factor pairs for those numbers. And there's two ways to kind of define a factor. A factor is a number that can be multiplied by another number to give a product. Or a factor is a number that divides equally into another number. So we have the numbers 10, 24, 12, 36, and 50. When we write out factors, we usually have, and I'm going to do the factors for the number 6. I put a parenthesis there, and I start off with what numbers can multiply together that will equal 6, or what numbers can I divide equally into 6 with no remainder. The first one is always going to be 1. 1 and the number itself. And then I just start kind of going through some of the numbers. 6 is an even number, so I know that it is divisible by 2. So I think, what times 2 would equal 6? And I know that that answer is 3. I keep going up my number line. So I have 3, then I try 4. I know that 4 does not divide in, or nothing times 4 equals 6. Nothing times 5 equals 6. So I know that these are all the factor pairs that I have for the number 6. 1 and 6, 2 and 3. If I did another number, let's say I do the number 7. I'm going to write my parentheses again. And I'm going to say I know that 1 and this number 7 can be multiplied together to equal that. But then I go through the rest of my numbers and I know that every number that could possibly be multiplied together to equal 7 would have to fit between the 1 and the 7. I know that 7 is not an even number, so 2 won't work. I know that 3 times 2 equals 6, so that doesn't work. 4 doesn't work, 5 doesn't work, 6 doesn't work. So the only two factor pairs that I have for 7 is 1 and 7. And remember, when the number only has two factors, 1 and itself, we say that those numbers are prime numbers. So going back to our matrix again, you are going to write down the factor pairs for the following numbers: 10, 24, 12, 36, and 50. So I hope that gives you a little explanation as how you would write down the factors for a number. Work hard. Have a great day.